So let me clear my screen. So I have cleared it now. Okay. So now the first program what we will do. So we will do it with this. Just if I copy here and paste it, it will give me the output here. Whatever you type it here, it will give you the output. Okay. This is echo. Whatever you give it here, it will print. Excuse me. Today. So this is giving me date here. If I type date also, the same will come. Okay. So now I want to run it in the command here. Okay. So I want to run a as command. Now I am typing vi. Okay. hello.sh file. Okay. Okay. hello.sh. Now I have copied this. Total I have copied. Okay. I don't want all this. Okay, I am just copying this. Okay, copy, paste. Okay, so I am saving this. I hope you have done this editing file. QA, Q, all that VI. Have you done it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I want to run it. Okay. So I will type ls here. hello.sh is not an executable file here. So what I will do, if I want to run it dot hello.sh, so permission denied. Okay. So I will elevate the privileges dot hello.sh. Okay. Let me type my password here. Okay. It says command not found. Okay. So you are executing the file, it is telling the command is not found. Okay. So what you need to do, I will change the permission here. Okay. chmod plus x hello.sh. So I am making that as a executable file. Okay. Now I will type ls here. So now you see it here, hello is turned into green. Okay. So now I will run that same command here. Okay. So now it is executing this, whatever the present content in the file, it is executing. So that is how you will be creating the shell scripting file. Okay. Now I will type the same command here, you will get the same output. So there is no difference here. You see the output. So now you see the output here. So you are just running it as a command. You turned this into a command now. Okay. So that is the first line here. So I hope you got this document here, AWS. It is in page number 370. If you have not received it, I will share it again. No problem. So now I am going to run this. Okay. The second one, it will display all the information. So it is displaying my host name, the kernel, architecture and user here. So 4 commands, 4 it is giving me the details. Okay. Now I will create one command here. Okay. vi sysinfo.sh. I am creating one file here. Okay. Just let me copy this. Okay. I have saved it. Right quit. Okay. So now I am making this as executionable mode here. so that I can run +x sysinfo.sh. Okay, so now I will type ls. Okay, so now if I type /s sysinfo, so these commands, whatever inside it, it will run automatically. Okay, so now I will run. You see it, host name Fedora, kernel, your architecture and user. Okay, so those are the commands. Okay, so now we will have a interaction here. Okay, vi. Okay, so let me see what happens here with this. Okay, so I am typing it. So first you are reading it, read -p, enter directory name. Okay, dir name. Okay, so you are taking the input into a dir name. Whatever you enter here, this will take as a input here. You are defining the variable here. Means you are taking that name as $dir name. If you do it, you will be taking this input. Okay, then you are reading the file. Okay, read file. So you are taking it as a file name. Okay, so you are creating it with touch dir name. Okay, this is where user is giving input and then he is giving the file name. Okay, so let me see it here. We don't have a directory called what is this? I will create news and then I will create one channel. Okay, RRR I will create one file name. Okay, now I will type enter. So now it is asking me enter directory name here. Okay, this command is executed. So I will give news. Okay, news directory will be created. Okay, this already created now. mkdir, take the input. Okay, take the input from here. So I have given a news as input. Okay, this news, it has taken it as a input. That is why it is not asking. Okay, this got executed. So you didn't see this. Okay, now it is reading, read -p, enter file name. Okay, so I have not entered the file name now. Now I am entering RRR now. Okay, so now once you enter this, it will create touch news here /RRR. Okay, created your news, then /file name RRR, it will come. Okay, now you see, created news /RRR. So it created one directory here and created one file inside the directory. Let's see here, ls. You see news here it created. I want to see what is inside the news here. Capital N. See, there is one file created inside that news directory. So this is how you will be creating, doing the shell scripting. Now I will create the same with file creator .sh. Now I will copy this, paste it here. I am going to save, right quit, enter. Now change the mode to executionable mode, chmod, file creator. Okay, now I will execute. It will turn the same thing now. It will execute one by one. Okay, you are not seeing the code here. Whatever you have written this shebang, then this all will get executable one by one now. Okay, it is asking enter name. Okay, I will tell now what is the name. Name is okay, new 000, enter. File name I will type okay 777, enter. Okay, so now it would have created a directory called new 000. Inside that it would have created 777 as a file name here. ls, you now see it here, it created a directory, then it created okay, inside that we will see ls capital N, okay, you see 777 it created. So like that you will be creating a lot of files here, okay, all that. So now I want to see the disk files here, df-h, okay. I don't want to see this temporary file system, tmpfs. So this is all my temporary files, I don't want to see this, okay. So what I will do, that command here, so I will pipe this, okay, whatever the input I am getting it here, I am going to filter it and removing this tempfs, remove this, okay, show me except tempfs, you show me all this. So I am getting this information. Okay, if I want to do a file name with this, I will do a file here. So I will create one file, okay, show only df.sh, okay. Now copy this shebang, okay, save it. So chmod +x, okay. So now if I type okay, show only df, okay, now I am executing show only df, okay. So this is giving me the output of that particular command here. So this is how you will be doing the operations, you will be doing the day-to-day task. You will use those commands and you will be executing it, okay. So now I will see okay, what is the current user details, okay. So this command will give me the user ID, okay. Whenever I put $, okay, it will go inside the operating system, it will pull from the settings here, so it will pull that information. Here also default shell, from where I am executing this information it will pull, okay. So you see it here, user ID, okay, 1000, okay, groups, I am in the groups Ubaid and wheel group. So my default shell is /bin/bash. This is where I am executing my command here. So this information you are getting it with these commands here, okay. Or else if you type ID, you will get all your ID information, your group information, ID information. So you get all these type of information just with this command, okay. So you are taking it with a OS information, ID-U, okay. I want only ID of the user here. So what is the user here, okay, my user identification. If you type, you will also get that user ID. So this is my group ID. So I have been added into wheel group. That is why I am getting these groups. Okay. So it will show all that commands. Okay. You can write the program and you can execute this. Okay. Then we have simple calculator. Okay. So this is little bit programming here. Okay. We will see what this will do. Vi. Okay. I will tell basic arithmetic. Basic math I will take. Okay. .sh. So let me copy. Okay. So now it is asking enter expression. So you need to enter expression. Expression here is plus minus. Okay. So once you enter, it will type, okay, echo, it will print. This is doing a basic calculator here, BC. BC is your basic arithmetic or basic calculator, you can tell. Okay. If it is greater than 2 /dev/nil. Okay. So let's see what it will print now. Okay. Right quit. chmod. Result 3. Okay. Result 0. So you let me know. You forget about this basic math. You understood all the other scripts, all the other commands that we executed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we will see. Okay, what is this basic calculator here? Okay. Okay. What is this BC? So now exiting here. Okay. Now it is telling 24 plus. Okay. 23. Okay. So you are using the command here, the basic calculator which is present in your computer. Okay. You are not doing anything here. What you are trying to do. Okay. Let me take this here in the paint. I will take it. Okay. I will open up in the paint. Okay. So we'll see little bit logic here. So this we understood. This is shebang. Okay. This is done. Okay. Now you are taking this as input here. Read -p enter expression. This is also done. Okay. You are taking the value here. Okay. So here what you are trying is result is equals to echo. You take this example. Okay. And you are piping it. Piping means you are passing this. Okay. And you are passing and telling, okay, BC2 greater than or /dev/null. means if something is 0, you will be using this. Okay. If result, okay, this is your piping here result. Okay. So you are taking it and you are filtering this. This is used to filter it. Okay. So let's say if I tell something, okay, if I do, I will go here, okay, I will use our code here. I will type -2, okay, or I will type something, I will type, okay, instead of doing something I will type Q. Okay. So if something is typed, okay, instead of any character or any numeric value or any mathematical expression, you give him 0. That is what that code is telling. So whatever you are doing the code is telling. Okay. If he is giving other than BC input, whatever you get it from the BC command, you pass this to BC, basic calculator. Okay. Basic calculator, you pass it, okay, and then you calculate it. After that you give me the result here. Okay. I will make this, okay, red here. Okay. So once you calculate, you take this expression from here, whatever I am typing, let's say I am typing it 2 plus 3, okay, then you take 2 plus 3 here, okay, 2 plus 3, and then pass it to 2 plus 3 to BC here. This is what your command is telling. You pass it to basic calculator, okay. So this whatever basic calculator is giving, okay, you store this result here. Let's say this is giving me result here 5, okay. So store the result 5, okay. So now you print if my -n, okay, result, then echo, you print the result here, okay. Result is equals to, this is your text here. I will make this as green, okay. This one, okay, now you print 5 here. I will remove this, it will print, now it will print result, okay. What you are doing it here, the result is equal to 5 here, you print 5. If it is not there, okay, if it is not true, then what you do, you print echo invalid expression, okay. So what you do now, you print, if I am typing something here other than here expressions, whatever BC is not taking, okay, whatever BC is not taking, you print it as invalid expression. If you are not getting the positive result here, then you tell invalid expression. Now you are closing the if statement, okay. So you are doing it with if, then you are closing fi. So now your condition you have closed. If you got this, then you print it. This is the grammar, or we will call it syntax here, okay. This is your grammar. If, else this, okay. If you are having something here, okay, else, so if you are putting some other condition here, else, okay, echo, okay, you print echo, some other condition or result. So you will be doing this else like this, okay, or else you will tell else if. So So that this is how it will run. Okay. So you are using this BC here. So now we will see basic math here. So you are executing it here. Now I will type A plus B. Okay. Result is 0. So I will type BC now. This is your basic calculator. So first it was created in 1991 to 1994. So later this got developed like this. Now I will type 2 cap 3. 2 into 2. 3 times you multiply. Okay. 2 into 6 times you multiply 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 6 times. 64. 25 into 25. Okay. $33 into 3 times. Okay. 5 to 5 to the power. Okay. Let's say whether this will handle it or not. Okay. So that is very big number, but it still calculated it. So it calculated 525 into 550 25 times. Okay, this is all that number. This many digits it calculated. Okay. So this is a very big calculation. So I will type 1 plus A. That is 1. Okay. I will type A plus B. It is giving me 0 here. So whatever you are doing it here, you are just storing the result and printing it. That is what the program is doing. Okay. So now I will type Q here or exit or Control C. Control C, I am exiting this basic calculator. Okay. That is how you have done the basic calculator now. Okay. Now the file organizer. So is it clear now? Okay. One it will create with .sh. All that with respect to extension, it will create one folder and then it will move. Okay. So now I am copying this code. Okay. Copy. Okay. VI file extension .sh. Okay. Now I am pasting the code. Okay. Now I am saving it. Now I am changing it to executionable here. Okay. So now I am executing this file extension. Cannot create the directory host underscore backup file exist. Move cannot stat. Okay. Host dot underscore backup. Okay. So the backup, all the directories, this is failing it here. Okay. But for these files it has already moved. Okay, let me see what it has done. Okay, ls. Where are these files gone? Any idea? I am not seeing key file here, XML file here, .txt. Where this has gone? Any idea?
Already created the directory and move the file to the directory.
Okay. No, I didn't got it.
Yes, so, the command runs successfully and it creates the directory. All the existing files have moved to the directory.
Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Okay. So what it has done is our code. Okay. So this code, let me zoom this. Okay. Little bit I will zoom it. Okay. So what this has done is, okay, for file in asterisk, okay, you do everything for this, not only for extension, you do for every file. Okay, if -f file, okay, then you copy the extension here, ext is equal to file asterisk dot ex dot. Okay, so you take the extension here, whatever you get it. Okay, then you create a directory mkdir -p. You take the input as .sh. Okay, create a directory. Okay, mkdir created one directory. Move means you are moving it. Move file to this directory, whatever you have it, you move that file. Okay, you move this file here, basic math to this here. Okay, so now once you are done, if you are closing if here, so you do it for is for every file you do it. Okay, so now I am doing it for this file, then this file, all that I am doing it until I get the last file. So I will do it for every file now. So once I am done, I am closing this F5. Okay, done. Files organized by extension. Okay, files organized by extension. That is what this is done. Okay, so you have code explanation also down here, what exactly this is doing, so you can read that. Okay, in simple terms. So this is what it has done. For loop. Okay, -p file test. Okay, this is parameter expansion. Okay, mkdir, and then you are moving. So this is what you are learning here. For, and then file test, parameter expansion here. Means you are checking that whether the file is having that pattern or not. Okay, whether this is a directory or file. This is how it is checking the extension here. So in earlier you have basic arithmetic, BC for basic arithmetic, 2 greater than dev/null. So if you get any errors, okay, don't show me errors. Okay, don't show me errors. This is what it will suppress the errors. So you will tell lies, right? Something. How are you? You will tell fine. Even though you are not fine, you will be telling, okay, why I need to tell all the stories. You will just tell I am fine. Okay, you are suppressing all that problems here. So just like this, it will not show any errors here if you are using this in your earlier example. Okay, if -n is okay, don't check for non-empty string here. Okay, it is going to pipe the command line and substitutes it. So this is the earlier one. So this is how the earlier code will work. So now I want to see, okay, psaux command now. Okay, psaux. Okay, so I don't want to see all these. I am seeing lot of processes here. So you see page number 1, page number 2 and 3. Okay, so I want to sort only the CPU So sort, okay, with CPU. First you sort. Let me take this. Okay, I will remove this command. Okay. So this is sorting with some other things. Okay. Let me see with what it is sorting here. PSAUX. It is sorting with the process ID here. So you see the PID here. The sorting is happening with the process ID. Okay. So I want it with the CPU usage. Okay. You sort it with the percentage of CPU. Okay. So now if you see it, it is sorted with the CPU here. Where is our command? Okay. Now you see there are no process ID here. Okay. Earlier it was 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Now it is showing this is using the highest usage, then followed by this command, then followed by this, then followed by this. So it is showing the process how they are being utilized, not how they are created. Okay. So now I want to see only 5 here. Okay. So now I will tell, okay, count. I am going to send all this command to pipe. Pipe means you are filtering it out. Okay. Head, you show me only 10. Top 10 you show me head -n. Okay. So this is showing me only 10 here. Let me show. Okay. You show me only 2 here. Okay. You got only 2. Let me clear this. Okay. So I want to see top 4. Okay. So this is giving me top 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I want to see top. So why there is if I am telling 5, it is showing only 4. Why it is like that? So this command, what it counts, okay, I am counting the head also. Okay. Header or your title. I am counting this one also. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now we will see how it will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I type 1 here, 2 here, it will show only 1 here. Okay. 1 and then 2. So if you want to see 2, top 2, you need to add one more here, because this one also it will be counting. Okay. So these two process are taking more CPU here, 0.9 and 0.7 percentage. So now you are creating this a command. Okay. Copy. Okay. So now vi top command dot sh, save, right quit, chmod +x, top command. Okay. Top command. So you want to add clear screen here. Okay. So vi top command. Okay. So let's add one clear here. Okay. Clear, right quit, So now I am running this. Okay. So it first it cleared, then it run. Okay. Now I will type one more time. It is clearing up, then it is running. See. So we didn't see that clearing. That is how it is doing. Okay. You understood now? PS. Okay. PS is for process display, and then you are sorting. You are using the PS with sorting command. Okay. Then you are limiting the output with head. Okay. So if you are using it with head, you can use the tail also here. Okay. So now I want to see the tail. Tail -3. Okay. So this is giving me the last process, the tail process. Whatever is present in the CPU category, it is showing me the bottom 3 here. Instead of head here, you are putting the tail here. Okay. So this is how you will be doing that execution here. Then you have host name here. Okay. So I will ping here my IP address, ipconfig. Okay. So let me open this vi network check .sh. So now I will copy this network ping tester. So you are checking the network here. Okay. So now you are suppressing the alert here. Okay. You are reading the enter IP address, enter host to ping. You are taking the IP address. Okay. Now you are pinging ping -c, ping 3 times. Okay. Whatever you give the address here. Okay. And if there are any errors, okay, you suppress it. If you are checking it, if you are getting any response, okay, status here, you just give the output here. Okay. Then if there is a last command, okay, then you exit. So you check. If it is reachable, you tell host is reachable. If it is not reachable, you tell it is not reachable. Okay. So let me print it here. I will save this. chmod network chmod +x network check. Okay. Now I am typing network, enter ping. Okay. 127.0.0.1. It will work. So now it has done the 3 pings here. After 3 ping, it is checking. Okay. So it is doing the standard output and error here. It will check only the status here. Okay. If there is status, okay, 0 means it is successful. If there is not 0 means it is not reachable. Non-zero means failure. Only it is checking 2 status here. Now I will ping. I will enter the same here. 192.168.2.3 I will type. Now it says, okay, so it didn't work. Okay, it says this server is not reachable. Okay, I have one more IP address. I will type that IP address 10.148.10.70. Okay, so now it is trying to ping for 3 times. Okay, so if it gets a response, then it will tell, okay, I got the 0 here. Okay, let's say we will see it here. So it is reading the host here, read host, okay, name. So whatever you are giving it here, IP address or something like that, 127.0.0.1, it will work. Okay, or you give the any IP address 168.2.2 or your IP address. Okay, so it will take this IP address, read host name or IP address. You can type host name also like this here, your host name. Okay, so then it is taking that input to the host variable here. Okay, then it is checking that particular host here, ping -c3 and then host. So we will do the same command here. Let me see it here. Okay, so now I am typing it here, ping c. Okay, 3 times it is pinging like this. Okay, if it is getting response, then it is telling, okay, I got the response. Now my status is 0. I will tell this is reachable. Now you are typing it here, 192.168.2.2. Okay, so now it is trying 1, 2, 3 and then stop. Okay, I didn't got any response. Okay, I didn't got any response means I didn't got any 0. Okay, this is not reachable. Done. Okay, this is what you are doing. Ping -c with host name, whatever you entered. Okay, so you are entering this, you are checking this. Okay, so 3 packets you are sending. So what this will do, it will do a standard output and error check. Okay, this is /dev is equal to silent here. Okay, so this is the programming. You can tell grammar here. Okay, so this is what it is checking, whether this is valid or not. Okay, so if it is 0, so it will check whether this is valid or not. If it is 0, then it will say, okay, last command it is successful. 0 means reachable, non-zero means failure. That's it. Okay, so that is what it is showing us the program here. Okay, yeah.
Sir, myself Srikanth.
Yes.
Sir, we got that pinging and receiving responses.
So ping, okay, if you ping this any IP address, okay, so you will get a response. Okay, ping, ping, this is your local address. Okay, so on any computer it will work. So you will get this response. Okay, so this is where you are sending the packets here in sequence manner. So 1, 2, 3, it will be continuously sending. In Linux it will send continuously. Okay, in Windows it will stop for n number of times. Okay, I will ping
Sir,
the
this
same.
is like something, what it is running, sir?
See, I am checking it. Are you alive or not?
Okay.
Okay. So in Windows, it will check only 4 times and it will stop. In Linux, it will not do it like this. Okay. It is checking it with here. Okay. So this is sending that packets here. You see 54 packets sent. Okay. So now here it is sending the 32 bytes. Okay. I am just giving you 32 bytes. Okay. Whether you are able to receive it or not, you just give me response. So if it is not giving response means it is not alive. Okay. Now it is telling time to reach it. Time it is taking 0.07. Okay. It is taken very minimal amount of time to reach. So you are sending here 64 bytes here. In Windows, you are sending 32 bytes. Okay. So if I send more than that, okay, ping, okay, ping with L, ping hyphen, okay, ping hyphen help. Okay. So how much you can send? Okay, size. Okay, yes. Okay, ping size. Okay, so I am giving my IP address here. I will type what is my IP address, IP config. Okay, so I am typing here 10 dot 10.148.10.70. Okay. So now you are sending it 25,000 bytes, means you are overloading it. Now you see it time here. You are putting lot of pressure. Let's say you are continuously speaking to me. Okay, sir, this is that. You tell me that what is this, what is that, all that. So I will be responding to you continuously. All the other participant will be just listening to the conversation. Okay, so you will be overloading it. Okay, you need to just check hi. I will tell hello. That's it. Okay, now you are reachable. So instead of that, you are doing this. You are putting lot of load on me. So you see it. It is time taken to reach it here. 33, 30 like that. Okay. So now we will do without this. Okay. How much it is taking? It is taking 5 milliseconds. Okay. So this is the time to reach here. Okay. So now I will try to reach Google here. Ping. I will type, okay, www.google.com. So now I am trying to reach google.com in 35 milliseconds. So ping command, you are using it for checking the network connectivity, whether you are able to reach Google or whether that server is able to reach it or not. Okay. I will type ping 8.8.8. Okay. So you are checking whether your internet connection is working or not. Okay. So this is time to reach. This is called latency here. Okay. Time to reach that particular server. This is the first command you will be using for in the networking, whether it is live on the network or not. Okay. So you see TTL here, time to leave. Okay. I will give this many milliseconds here. If you are not responding within this, I will just close my connection. You see here TTL 116. my TTL 64. Okay, my TTL here in Windows. Okay, 128. So based on this you will calculate the operating system. Okay, it will show the operating system where you are pinging it, this one. So here my operating system is Windows. This is on the Linux. Okay, Linux will give you 64. Windows will give 128. So they are this is also Windows. So now this is, you are pinging it on the Windows. Okay, this is the customized operating system, 115, then 116. Okay, this is how you will be checking with the ping command. So this information will be revealed. Okay, that's it for today. So we'll continue the other part also. So I will be uploading the other theoretical part in the other batch also. You follow that videos also, you will get fair understanding on the networking also. I have my old videos which are in lying in YouTube. Okay, you just go through all that, you will get some understanding on the networking part, so which I have covered for the earlier DevOps batch.
Sir,
Okay.
can you ping that YouTube videos?
No, those are in my channel. Okay, you can go through that in the channel. I will search it. Anyways, I will search it. Yeah.
And this document, sir, like the AWS version 10, I don't have this document.
Okay, I will share it. Okay. Whenever you get a document, okay, you see it, the header footer here. Okay, you should be having the latest date here, at least 1 or 2 days back.
This one I don't have, sir.
Okay, if I share any document, okay, if I open any document, this will get automatically updated. So if I save this document, okay, if I open it again, it will I will close this document. Okay. I will just again open it. Okay. It got updated here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, whenever you get a document, okay, the latest document, it will not be less than 2 days. See, if I share a document today, either you will get the document updated either today or yesterday. If you get 2 days back, means that is old document. Okay, so anyways, I will share this document. Now you will get this date here. If I open and export the document, then the date will get changed here. Okay, and you will be looking like this. Okay, so I will collapse all. Okay, so we are into Python. Okay, we are into development here. This is how I have done it. Okay, so first foundational 1, 2, 3, these are the foundational for the course. Okay, then these are the operations, module 3 to 9, these are all goes to operation. Okay, if you want to go as a Linux engineer, so these are all the concept that you should know as a Linux engineer. Okay, so these are all the scripting or development. 1, 2, 3. If you know, you can go as a normal developer, beginner like that. Okay, so these are all the cloud concept, AWS cloud concept. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so once these all done, 14 modules, then you will have a capstone project here. That's how I designed this course. Okay, earlier there was in my earlier versions, you will get a different versioning here. Okay, you see it here. Module 4 was CI/CD. Now I have moved it to module 12 here. So earlier the sequence was like that. Okay. Anyways, I will share this document. This is how I have created this document. So we are right now here in Python and shell scripting. So we'll go ahead. Later we'll see Python. So we are into this disk usage, current file organizer. So tomorrow we'll finish it off all this shell scripting. Then we'll go to the programming here. So before going to programming, okay, so I will give you the overview of the programming languages. Then we will go ahead. Okay, so this is our supporting content. So that is the main content. So this will be your supporting content. Okay, to understand that, I have created this one more document. Okay, so let's say this one also I have told you what will be the roles, all that. Okay, so then your networking fundamentals. Okay, three-way handshake, all that. So we will go one by one here. Okay, let me collapse all. So these are all the supporting content. Okay, this I am not going to cover it, but you can refer it. If you are not understanding it, what exactly that is, you can come back and check here. So what exactly that is, that I have created this document so that it is easier for you to understand those concepts. This is like a pillar, supporting pillar for you. So this also I have shared it, so you can refer this. That's how you need to follow the documentation. Okay, so I will share this anyways. Okay, thanks guys. We will connect tomorrow. Okay, so you do practice this. Okay, YouTube link or ID you want to check?
ID, sir. I need.
Okay, okay. I will share.
Anything I can cover.
Yeah, yeah. I will share that link. One video I will share. Okay, so you can go through that channel and you can see the videos. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.